Hi, this is Chuck Birch coming to you from UNIQ Machinery with the SS22 with the auto UNIQ controller. Today we're going to be going over how to set up panels for run. So we can go to the home, go to run mode, and once we're in run mode, we're going to do add new part. It'll give us a new part, and if you have multiple sections of the roof section, you can add this right here. So right now we're going to add one. And we got one in here, and a quantity, we're gonna run 3 panels. And once we get the 3 in there, we're gonna go and run, we're gonna do 3 foot, let's say 2 1/8 inches. And then we're gonna come over here and hit OK. And then we're gonna come up here, and you can put multiple runs down here and log them all in before you even start your first run. We're gonna select the part. You notice we've got the run part, we have no notching in it. So then we're going to hit run, and it'll run the panel 3 feet. It's going to cut. Now I want you to notice it's ready to go to the next panel. I'm going to go ahead and move this one out of the way. And it's going to run my next panel, but this machine runs at your pace, so you don't have to run at its pace. Behind this cover, we have a proximity sensor that senses the panel in the way, so it will not run the next panel. So as you're stacking them, you don't need to run back over your way. As long as you have a panel setting here, it won't run. So then as soon as I move that out of the way, the machine will go ahead and automatically run the next piece. That's how you program the UNIQ controller. If you have any other questions, you can contact us at UNIQ, or you can go on our website and look at some other videos and information that we have.